If you find Windows 11 animations distracting, I'll guide you on how to disable animations on Windows 11, helping you create a smoother and more straightforward user experience. Press the Windows key +I to open the Settings app, and navigate to Accessibility in the left panel, followed by Visual Effects from the right side. Now turn off the toggle next to Animation Effects. The change will apply automatically. If you wish to switch the animations back on, simply turn the same toggle on. Press the Windows +S key to open the search bar, then type Control Panel and click on the most relevant result. Now click on Ease of Access. Next, navigate to Ease of Access Center. Scroll down until you meet the Use the Computer without a display option and click on it. Check the box next to Turn off all unnecessary animations when possible. Click Apply and OK. Press the Windows key +R to open up a Run dialog box. Next, type or paste System Properties performance.exe inside the text box and press Enter to open up the Performance Options menu. Once the window is opened, uncheck the Animate controls and elements inside Windows, animate windows when minimizing and maximizing, and animations in the taskbar, then click Apply and OK. That's it. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.